take a closer look at a new productized integration that we are rolling out with Highway, who is a carrier compliance and onboarding platform. And I'm going to go ahead and pull up our homepage here. For this integration, we actually built a new LWC on platform so that you can go in and you have the option to search a carrier by their DOT number, their MC number, or their SCAC number. And so I'm going to go ahead and pull up So I just typed in the MC number for Thoroughbred Transportation, and after you go ahead and enter this carrier in the LWC, it's going to go ahead and create the account page, the transportation profile, and it's going to go ahead and also pull in all of the data that is necessary to work with a carrier. So let's take a look first at their transportation profile. And you can see here it actually pulled in the carrier services. So it looks like Thoroughbred just runs truckload. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. You can see that they are an interstate carrier. It's going to also pull in the cargo carried, so they do dry and bulk and general freight. It's going to also ingest any other capabilities that the carrier might have. So in this case, Thoroughbred is hazmat certified. We'll pull in their SCAC number, their asset information as to how many trucks and units they have and drivers. We'll pull in their MC and DOT number. And then I'm going to go to the bottom here, and you can see we'll also pull in their equipment types. So you can see that they've got dry vans, reefers, flatbeds. Now I'm going to go up here to the compliance section. You can see that they are an approved carrier, and that was ingested directly from Highway. And we've also got a carrier review comments section. So obviously every carrier, it's going to vary from carrier to carrier as to some of the comments that are included with their profile. We've got the agreement date over here on the right, and the Highway ID right here. This is something that will be generated within Highway, and it is used to populate the correct carrier based off of whether the MC or the DOT or the SCAC was entered in. So we've also listed the Highway ID. And then you can see in the motor carrier analysis here, this will assess all of the different risk categories to a carrier. And so Highway has a different, they've got a calculation as to how to score these carriers, and we'll parse in whether they're acceptable or not. And then through this risk factor, we'll actually trigger the approved status. I'm going to go a little bit further down here. We'll pull in their safety rating information. You can see that they are a satisfactory carrier. And then you can see the different authorities that they have. And I'm going to go down here to insurance policies. You can see we've pulled in all of their insurance policies that would be necessary to haul with a carrier. So we've got their general and auto, their cargo insurance, and a couple different policies on file there as well. So I'm going to go over to the settlement tab here, and you can see that we actually pulled in their remittance option, as well as populated the factoring company that they use. And then I'm going to pull up their account page and just kind of show some of the data that we've pulled in on their account as well. We've pulled in the shipping address and their billing address, and then also some contact information as to some of the different billing and quoting and tendering contacts that would be at the carrier. And that is about it for the Highway integration. We're obviously pretty excited to roll this out, and they've gained a lot of popularity in the industry, and so excited to see some of our customers start to leverage a new solution that they requested. And